Thanks to everyone who is tuning into another episode of Didn't We Have Enough?, where we will explore the unbelievable. Terrence Howard is a man of many talents. He is celebrated for his captivating performances on screen, captivating audiences with his roles in films like Hustle and Flow and Iron Man. Yet his multifaceted nature extends far beyond the realm of acting. Howard harbors a deep-seated passion for science and innovation, a realm where he explores uncharted territories of knowledge with unwavering enthusiasm. This exploration has led him to secure numerous patents, a testament to his unique approach to understanding the world around us. Howard's journey into the world of science is as intriguing as his acting career. He is driven by an insatiable curiosity and a desire to unravel the mysteries of the universe. This pursuit has led him down unconventional paths, challenging traditional scientific paradigms and forging his own understanding of fundamental principles. His approach is characterized by a distinctive blend of intuition, observation, and a willingness to question established norms. Howard's patents are as diverse as his acting roles, spanning a range of fields from aerospace to construction. One of his most notable inventions is a system that aims to revolutionize flight. This system, rooted in Howard's unique understanding of physics, challenges conventional aerodynamic principles. It proposes a novel approach to lift and propulsion, potentially leading to more efficient and sustainable aircraft designs. Another intriguing patent focuses on a new method for building structures, showcasing Howard's interest in engineering and construction. This invention reflects his belief in finding elegant and innovative solutions to practical challenges. The patent proposes a system that optimizes structural integrity while minimizing material usage, highlighting a commitment to both efficiency and sustainability. These patents are not merely technical documents, but windows into Howard's unconventional thinking process. They embody his relentless pursuit of knowledge and his willingness to challenge the status quo. His inventions often stem from his personal observations of the natural world, seeking inspiration from patterns and phenomena that others might overlook. This approach reflects a deep-seated belief in the interconnectedness of all things. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the specific patents that showcase Howard's innovative spirit. We will analyze the scientific principles he draws upon and the potential impact of his inventions across various industries. Join us as we unravel the intriguing world of Terrence Howard, the inventor, and explore the potential of his unconventional ideas. One of Howard's most intriguing patents delves into the heart of construction, proposing a novel system for building structures. Dubbed the truss system, this invention reflects Howard's fascination with geometry and his belief in finding elegant solutions to complex problems. Traditional truss designs often rely on triangular structures for stability. Howard's system, however, introduces a new approach. Howard's truss system incorporates a series of interlocking geometric shapes, moving beyond the ubiquitous triangle. These shapes, inspired by patterns he observed in nature, distribute weight and stress more evenly. This approach, he argues, could lead to stronger, more stable structures using fewer materials. Such efficiency aligns with his commitment to sustainable building practices. The patent documents themselves read less like dry technical manuals and more like glimpses into Howard's thought process. Sketches of geometric patterns sit alongside handwritten notes, revealing a mind constantly seeking connections and questioning assumptions. One such note ponders the relationship between the structural integrity of a building and the trust we place in its design. This philosophical bent is what sets Howard apart from many in the world of invention. He is not content to simply solve a problem, he seeks to understand its deeper implications. Perhaps Howard's most ambitious undertaking lies in the realm of aerospace engineering. Driven by a lifelong fascination with flight, he has developed a revolutionary propulsion system that challenges the very foundations of aerodynamics. At the heart of this system is what Howard calls linchpin technology. Traditional aircraft rely on principles of lift and thrust, manipulating airflow over wings to achieve flight. Howard's system, however, proposes a radical departure from these established norms. Details about the linchpin technology remain shrouded in secrecy. However, patent applications and public statements hint at a system that utilizes a unique form of electromagnetic propulsion. Howard envisions a future where aircraft, powered by his technology, could maneuver with unprecedented agility and achieve remarkable speeds. The implications of such advancements are far-reaching, potentially revolutionizing air travel and space exploration. Skeptics, however, abound. Many within the scientific community view Howard's claims as outlandish, lacking empirical evidence, and defying the known laws of physics. Howard remains undeterred by such criticism. He often draws parallels between his work and the breakthroughs of visionaries like Nikola Tesla, whose ideas were initially met with skepticism. For Howard, innovation requires a willingness to embrace the unknown, to venture beyond the confines of conventional thinking. He firmly believes that true breakthroughs often emerge from challenging the status quo and pursuing unconventional paths. Terrence Howard's journey into the world of invention goes far beyond the blueprints and patents. It speaks volumes about a mindset wired differently, a perspective that resonates with the core tenets of Carol S. Dweck's groundbreaking work on mindset. Dweck, a renowned psychologist, posits that individuals with a growth mindset thrive on challenges, viewing obstacles as opportunities for learning and expansion. Howard embodies this growth mindset in his relentless pursuit of knowledge and his unwavering belief in his own potential. Faced with skepticism from the scientific establishment, he doesn't retreat but instead doubles down on his convictions. This resilience speaks to a deep-seated belief that intelligence and innovation are not fixed but rather malleable, capable of evolving with effort and dedication. This unwavering self-belief is a recurring theme in the stories of countless innovators throughout history. From the Wright brothers, who dared to dream of flight in a time when it seemed impossible, to Elon Musk, who relentlessly pushes the boundaries of space exploration and sustainable energy, a growth mindset is often the common thread. It's the audacity to envision a different future and the tenacity to pursue that vision despite setbacks and naysayers. In Howard's case, this growth mindset manifests not just in his scientific pursuits, but also in his approach to life. Whether he's inhabiting a complex character on screen or grappling with complex physics equations, there's a palpable thirst for knowledge, a constant striving to expand his horizons and challenge his own assumptions. It's this very mindset that allows him to embrace the unknown, to view criticism not as a roadblock but as a stepping stone on his unconventional path to innovation. Malcolm Gladwell, in his seminal work Outliers, argues that achieving mastery in any field requires a potent combination of talent, dedication, and opportunity. He emphasizes the 10-0-0-0-hour rule, suggesting that true expertise emerges from years of focused practice and immersion. While Howard's acting career undoubtedly speaks to years of honing his craft, his scientific pursuits might initially appear to deviate from this principle. However, a closer look reveals a different story. Howard's fascination with science, particularly mathematics and physics, has been a lifelong pursuit. He reportedly spent countless hours as a child poring over textbooks, driven by an insatiable curiosity about the workings of the universe. This early immersion, though unconventional, laid the foundation for his later forays into invention. Gladwell also highlights the importance of cultural and social contexts in shaping individual trajectories. Howard, despite facing the inherent challenges of pursuing a career in science as a minority, has remained undeterred. His unwavering commitment to his ideas, even when met with skepticism, speaks to a resilience often found in individuals who have overcome societal barriers to pursue their passions. Furthermore, Gladwell's concept of outliers, those who defy conventional expectations to achieve extraordinary things, resonates with Howard's story. He doesn't fit the mold of a traditional scientist, yet his unconventional thinking and willingness to challenge established norms position him as a potential outlier in the world of innovation. His journey embodies the spirit of Gladwell's thesis, that brilliance can emerge from unexpected places, often fueled by a unique blend of innate ability, relentless dedication, and a healthy dose of audacity. Central to Terrence Howard's process of invention is a profound reliance on intuition, a concept often explored in discussions of creativity and innovation. While the scientific method emphasizes empirical evidence and rigorous testing, Howard often speaks about a deep-seated knowing, an intuitive grasp of principles that extends beyond traditional logic. He describes experiencing moments of clarity, where complex ideas coalesce into a singular, coherent vision. These epiphanies, he believes, are not merely flights of fancy, but rather glimpses into a deeper understanding of the universe, a realm where intuition and reason intersect. This reliance on intuition could be likened to the concept of the aha moment, a sudden flash of insight that has fueled countless scientific breakthroughs throughout history. This intuitive approach, however, often puts Howard at odds with the scientific community, which values empirical data and peer-reviewed research. His pronouncements about challenging fundamental laws of physics, such as gravity, are often met with skepticism and even ridicule. However, it's important to note that history is replete with examples of scientific pioneers whose intuitive leaps initially faced resistance, from Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, which upended Newtonian physics, to the development of quantum mechanics, which challenged the deterministic view of the universe. Groundbreaking ideas often emerge from daring to question long-held assumptions. Howard's reliance on intuition, while unconventional, aligns with this historical pattern of challenging the status quo in pursuit of a deeper understanding of the world. Section 4. Bridging the gap. Can unconventional thinking gain acceptance? The question remains, how will Terrence Howard's unconventional approach to science and invention be ultimately received? Will his ideas, rooted in intuition and a deep-seated belief in challenging established norms, find acceptance within the broader scientific community, or will they remain on the fringes, regarded as the musings of an outsider? The answer, likely, lies somewhere in between. Historically, the scientific community has often been slow to embrace ideas that challenge the prevailing paradigms. New theories, especially those that contradict established principles, are often met with resistance, requiring substantial empirical evidence and rigorous peer review to gain acceptance. Howard's work, with its reliance on intuitive leaps and unconventional methods, will likely face similar scrutiny. However, the increasing recognition of the importance of interdisciplinary thinking and the value of diverse perspectives in science could pave the way for greater acceptance of unconventional approaches. Fields like biomimicry, which draws inspiration from nature to solve complex human problems, demonstrate the potential of looking beyond traditional scientific boundaries. Ultimately, the success of Howard's ideas will likely depend on their ability to translate from theoretical concepts into practical applications. If his inventions, particularly his aerospace technology, can demonstrate tangible results, it could potentially shift the conversation, prompting a more serious consideration of his unconventional methods. Whether or not his work achieves mainstream scientific acceptance, Howard's story serves as a compelling reminder that innovation often emerges from thinking outside the box and daring to challenge the status quo. Section 1. Practical applications, from blueprints to reality. While Terrence Howard's patents offer a glimpse into his unconventional thinking, the question of their practical application remains a point of contention. Critics argue that his ideas, however intriguing on paper, lack the rigorous testing and development required for real-world implementation. Translating a concept from a patent drawing to a functioning prototype, let alone a commercially viable product, is a daunting and often costly endeavor. Howard, however, remains undeterred. He has reportedly assembled a team of engineers and technicians to further develop his inventions, particularly his aerospace technology. Securing funding for such ventures is often a significant hurdle for independent inventors, particularly those operating outside traditional research institutions. Yet, Howard's celebrity status could potentially work in his favor, attracting investors intrigued by the prospect of backing a high-profile figure with a bold vision. The path from patent to product is fraught with challenges, demanding not only technical expertise but also business acumen and a strategic understanding of market forces. Whether Howard's inventions can navigate this complex landscape and transition from theoretical concepts to tangible realities remains to be seen. However, his unwavering belief in his ideas and his willingness to invest time and resources into their development suggest a commitment that extends beyond mere intellectual curiosity. The process of bringing an invention to market often involves collaborating with established companies or licensing patents to those with the infrastructure and expertise to mass produce and distribute new technologies. Whether Howard chooses to partner with industry giants or forge his own path, the journey from blueprint to reality will be a testament to his tenacity and entrepreneurial spirit. Section 2. The Construction Conundrum, Reimagining Structures. Howard's patented truss system, with its focus on geometric efficiency and material optimization, holds intriguing possibilities for the construction industry. The demand for sustainable building practices is on the rise, driven by concerns about environmental impact and resource depletion. Howard's system, if proven effective, could offer a way to construct stronger, more resilient structures using fewer materials, reducing waste and minimizing the carbon footprint of construction projects. However, the construction industry is notoriously resistant to change, often relying on established methods and materials. New technologies face an uphill battle for acceptance, requiring rigorous testing to meet safety standards and overcome skepticism from architects, engineers, and builders accustomed to traditional approaches. Howard's truss system would need to undergo extensive real-world trials to demonstrate its structural integrity, cost-effectiveness, and ease of implementation. Despite the challenges, there's growing interest in innovative construction techniques that address environmental concerns and push the boundaries of architectural design. Companies specializing in sustainable building practices and those exploring the use of advanced materials might find Howard's ideas worthy of further exploration. His truss system, with its emphasis on geometric elegance and structural efficiency, could potentially align with the ethos of architects and designers seeking to create aesthetically pleasing and environmentally responsible structures. The success of Howard's construction-related patents hinges on bridging the gap between innovative concepts and practical implementation. Collaboration with universities or research institutions specializing in structural engineering could provide the necessary expertise to rigorously test and refine his designs, potentially paving the way for their adoption in real-world construction projects. Section 3. The Aerospace Frontier. A new flight paradigm? Howard's most ambitious claims, centered on his revolutionary propulsion system and linchpin technology, have generated the most skepticism, particularly within the aerospace engineering community. The principles of aerodynamics are well established, and any technology claiming to upend these fundamental laws faces a high burden of proof. Howard's descriptions of his inventions, often shrouded in cryptic language and lacking detailed technical specifications, have done little to quell the doubts of mainstream scientists and engineers. However, the history of technological advancement is replete with examples of breakthroughs once deemed impossible by contemporary experts. The Wright brothers, for example, faced ridicule and disbelief when they first proposed their flying machine. It was only through persistent experimentation and a willingness to defy conventional wisdom that they achieved their groundbreaking feat. While Howard's claims should be met with healthy skepticism, dismissing them outright without thorough investigation risks stifling potentially transformative innovation. The aerospace industry, despite its reliance on proven technologies, is not immune to innovation. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, driven by a vision of revolutionizing space travel, are investing heavily in developing new propulsion systems, reusable rockets, and advanced materials. While Howard's ideas might seem far-fetched within the context of current aerospace technology, the industry's ongoing pursuit of greater efficiency, reduced emissions, and increased capabilities could potentially open doors to exploring unconventional approaches. Perhaps, with further development, rigorous testing, and a willingness to engage in open dialogue with experts in the field, Howard's aerospace concepts could evolve from intriguing theories into tangible technologies. The journey from unconventional ideas to groundbreaking innovations is often paved with skepticism, setbacks, and unexpected turns. Whether Howard's vision for the future of flight becomes a reality or remains a tantalizing what-if in the annals of invention, his story underscores the importance of fostering a spirit of inquiry and remaining open to possibilities that challenge conventional thinking. Section 4. The Legacy of a Polymath Inspiration Beyond Invention. Terrence Howard's foray into the world of science and invention, regardless of the ultimate success or failure of his individual patents, speaks to a broader narrative about the nature of creativity and the power of unconventional thinking. In a world often bound by specialization, Howard embodies the spirit of the polymath, seamlessly traversing the realms of art, science, and philosophy. His journey reminds us that the human mind is not confined to rigid categories, but rather possesses the capacity to explore diverse fields of knowledge and find connections where others see only boundaries. Howard's unwavering belief in his own intuition, his willingness to challenge established norms, and his relentless pursuit of knowledge serve as an inspiration to aspiring innovators, particularly those who feel like outsiders in their chosen fields. His story encourages us to embrace our curiosity, to ask unconventional questions, and to trust our own instincts, even when they lead us down uncharted paths. Moreover, Howard's journey highlights the importance of fostering a culture of openness and inclusivity within the scientific community and beyond. Diverse perspectives, even those that initially seem unorthodox, can often lead to groundbreaking discoveries and innovative solutions. By creating spaces where unconventional thinkers feel empowered to share their ideas without fear of ridicule or dismissal, we nurture an environment where creativity can flourish and human knowledge can advance in unexpected and transformative ways. Terrence Howard, the actor, might be best known for his captivating on-screen performances, but it's Terrence Howard, the inventor, the polymath, the unconventional thinker, who offers a powerful reminder that the pursuit of knowledge is an ongoing journey, often marked by detours, unexpected discoveries, and the courage to defy expectations. His legacy, regardless of the ultimate fate of his inventions, lies in his ability to inspire us to embrace our own unique perspectives, to challenge the boundaries of what we think we know, and to never stop exploring the vast and wondrous landscape of human curiosity. Terrence Howard's journey through the landscape of science and innovation leaves an indelible mark, a testament to the power of an unconventional mind, unafraid to challenge established norms. Whether his specific inventions stand the test of time or fade into obscurity, the audacity of his pursuits, the sheer force of his belief in his own vision, sparks a conversation about the very nature of innovation and the often circuitous path it takes. Howard's story is a potent reminder that the seeds of groundbreaking ideas often take root in unconventional soil, nurtured by a blend of intuition, observation, and an unyielding belief in the possibility of discovering truths yet unveiled. His patents, ranging from the practical to the seemingly fantastical, serve as tangible evidence of a mind in constant motion, seeking patterns and connections in the world around him. The truss system, with its elegant geometry and potential for revolutionizing construction, speaks to a deep-seated appreciation for both form and function. The more audacious aerospace concepts, shrouded in a veil of mystery and met with skepticism from mainstream science, nonetheless hint at a desire to push the boundaries of human understanding, to explore realms beyond the currently accepted limits of possibility. Howard's approach to invention, often described as intuitive and unconventional, challenges the traditional image of the scientist cloistered in a laboratory, bound by rigorous adherence to the scientific method. He embodies a different kind of innovator, one who draws inspiration from the natural world, from patterns observed and intuited, from a deep-seated belief in a universal interconnectedness that transcends conventional modes of understanding. This approach, while often at odds with the established scientific community, nonetheless reflects a historical lineage of groundbreaking thinkers who dared to venture beyond the accepted boundaries of their time. The essence of innovation lies in embracing the unknown, in venturing beyond the familiar and comfortable confines of established knowledge. It's a process fraught with uncertainty, setbacks, and the ever-present potential for failure. Yet, it's in this fertile ground of exploration, of challenging assumptions, and daring to dream beyond the confines of the status quo, that true breakthroughs occur. Terrence Howard, in his own idiosyncratic way, embodies this spirit of audacious exploration, reminding us that the path to innovation is rarely linear, often messy, and always fueled by an unwavering belief in the power of human ingenuity. His story encourages us to question our own assumptions, to look beyond the readily accepted answers, and to cultivate a sense of childlike wonder about the world around us. It's a call to embrace the unknown, not with fear or trepidation, but with a sense of excitement and anticipation for the possibilities that lie hidden just beyond the horizon of our current understanding. Innovation thrives in an environment where curiosity is celebrated, where unconventional thinking is encouraged, and where the pursuit of knowledge is valued above the certainty of dogma. Howard's journey also underscores the importance of nurturing a growth mindset, a belief that intelligence and creativity are not fixed traits but rather muscles that can be strengthened through effort, dedication, and a willingness to embrace challenges. His unwavering belief in his own potential, even when faced with skepticism and doubt, serves as a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of staying true to one's own vision, even when it diverges from the well-trodden path. The ultimate legacy of Terrence Howard's foray into the world of science and invention remains to be written. The true impact of his patents, whether they revolutionize industries or fade into obscurity, will likely be debated for years to come. Will his truss system reshape the landscape of construction, ushering in an era of more sustainable and efficient building practices? Will his aerospace concepts, once deemed outlandish, eventually take flight, propelling humanity into a new era of exploration and discovery? Only time will tell whether his inventions will fulfill their potential or remain intriguing footnotes in the annals of unconventional thinking. Yet even if his specific creations fail to achieve widespread adoption, the impact of his journey extends far beyond the realm of patents and prototypes. Howard's story serves as a powerful reminder that the pursuit of knowledge is an intrinsically valuable endeavor, regardless of its practical outcomes. The act of questioning, exploring, and challenging established norms, even when it doesn't lead to immediate breakthroughs, expands the horizons of human understanding, paving the way for future generations to build upon the foundations laid by those who dared to think differently. The history of science is replete with examples of ideas initially dismissed as outlandish or impractical that later revolutionized their respective fields. From Copernicus's heliocentric model of the solar system to Einstein's theory of relativity, groundbreaking ideas often face resistance, requiring time and further exploration to gain acceptance. Whether Howard's inventions will ultimately join the ranks of these paradigm-shifting discoveries remains to be seen, but his willingness to challenge the status quo and pursue his own unique vision stands as a testament to the enduring power of human curiosity and the importance of fostering an environment where unconventional thinking can flourish. Beyond the specific inventions and their potential impact, Terrence Howard's story raises a broader question. Could his unconventional journey serve as a catalyst for change, inspiring a new generation of thinkers and creators to embrace their own unique perspectives and challenge the boundaries of what's considered possible? The Howard effect, if you will, might not manifest in a singular world-altering invention, but rather in a subtle shift in perspective. A greater willingness to entertain unconventional ideas and to recognize that brilliance can emerge from unexpected places. Imagine a world where Howard's audacity, his unwavering belief in his own vision, inspires young minds from all walks of life to pursue their own passions, regardless of how unconventional they may seem. Imagine classrooms where curiosity is not stifled but celebrated, where questioning the status quo is encouraged, and where students are empowered to explore the world with a sense of wonder and a thirst for knowledge. Imagine research institutions that embrace interdisciplinary collaboration, where artists and scientists, engineers and philosophers work together to tackle complex challenges from multiple perspectives. The Howard effect, in its essence, is about fostering a culture of intellectual curiosity, inclusivity, and a celebration of diverse approaches to problem solving. It's about recognizing that the next great breakthrough could come from anyone, regardless of their background, their chosen field, or their perceived level of expertise. It's about embracing the unknown, challenging assumptions, and creating spaces where unconventional thinking can thrive. It's about empowering a new generation to ask what if, and to pursue the answers with passion, dedication, and a healthy dose of audacity. If Terrence Howard's story sparks even a flicker of that spirit in others, his legacy will extend far beyond the realm of patents and inventions, leaving an indelible mark on the very fabric of human ingenuity and the ongoing pursuit of knowledge.